Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to scan a QR code on WhatsApp. With the latest updates, WhatsApp has made it even easier to connect with friends and family using QR codes. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to scan a QR code on your WhatsApp app. First things first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app open on your smartphone. Once you're in the app, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. This is your menu button. Give it a tap and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to your WhatsApp settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your app experience. Now, here's where it gets interesting. On your settings page, you should see a small QR code icon right next to your name at the top of the screen. It's pretty hard to miss. Go ahead and tap on that icon. Once you've tapped the QR code icon, you'll be taken to a new screen. Here, you'll see an option that says Scan Code. Select this option, and your phone's camera will activate. Now comes the fun part. Simply point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the QR code is within the frame on your screen. Don't worry if it takes a second or two. Your phone is working its magic to read the code. And just like that, you've successfully scanned a QR code on WhatsApp. It's a quick and easy way to add new contacts or join groups without the hassle of manually entering phone numbers or searching for usernames. Remember, this feature works both ways. You can also share your own QR code with others, making it super simple for them to add you as a contact. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy the convenience of QR code scanning on WhatsApp.